Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this air quality monitor from Langkou. As you can see, this thing is beautiful, super bright display, great for a bedside table, great for a kitchen counter, great for anywhere where you just want to make sure that the air you're breathing is purified. And looking here, you can see that you can easily see the CO2 count, very important. You want to make sure you have windows open if this gets too high. You also got your basic particulate matters down here. As you can see right now, it's very low because I have the window open. But again, an air purifier will definitely help out in reducing that. And then here you can see the air quality index. Right now it's healthy, very happy. As you can see, it's in the green area. You can also put the time. You can easily set the time using the buttons right here. And then temperature. Temperature, I realize is pretty accurate. It might be off by like a degree or something, but that's not really too much to worry about there. Humidity, 43%. That's also off by like a percentage or two. And then you've got volatile organic compounds there, and then formaldehyde there. Both very low, so this is very healthy. As you can see right now, it's currently charging, but you can use this without it being plugged in. And on the back there, this is where the air comes in through. You've also got a little inlet area right there. Here you've got the power button. Here you got up or down buttons. And here you got brightness button. And the brightness button allows you to set the time, as you can see right there. The up or down, you can actually adjust the brightness of the screen. So say it's time for bed and you won't want this to disturb you, you can turn that down. And then you can also just reset and recalibrate the sensors using one of these buttons there. And then you can hold down the brightness button and switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So overall, I highly recommend this. It's perfect for a bedroom. Thanks for watching.